Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing so good. It's been a long time since I've done a video and I'm just excited to get back to it. I probably don't have very long until RJ starts crying and I need to quickly run downstairs and grab him. He's not on his own, Gary's downstairs, but he's working, so I need to try and make sure I can get this done in between him waking up. Yeah. So RJ's he's a month old now, so it has been a long time since I've done a video. I did stop vlogging this week, so there will be a vlog at some point, and I do have some other videos to film. But today I'm doing a product review because I haven't done a product review in such a long time, and I love doing product reviews, you know it. And sorry, I thought I heard him stir. You're gonna have, like, honestly, you're hearing. Anyway, I bought some goodies from a company called Typology. I did buy their tinted moisturiser. No, this is their tinted serum, sorry, but they sent me the wrong shade. Which looks like this. So I got, I think, my right shade. So the shade they sent me was Type 4 Tan, which is just really dark. Great for when I have a tan, but not for right now. So yeah, there we are. We're going to do a review. I haven't opened this yet. I've got so many product reviews to do. I've got so much skincare to do, so many skincare reviews. I have a whole new skincare routine because obviously my skin's completely changed since having a baby. So there we are. I will be doing some like live home vlogs. If you can't tell, my setup is completely different. You probably can tell if you are not new here. I'm in my new house and I still haven't shown you around this either. So there's so many things I need to show you. But obviously having a baby came first, and that took over my life. Right, so Typology is a French beauty and skincare brand. I came across them on Instagram and I just fell in love with their products, or the look of their products, so I thought I just want to give it a try, because why not? I'll show you what it looks like. So this is how the packaging looks. It's literally, I've not tried any of their products before, so I'm excited to kind of get stuck in. But they package up really beautifully, to be honest. I like that their boxes are all recyclable as well. So when you open it, everything comes like this. What did I order? I ordered a concealer, which is this, because having no sleep, your girl now needs concealer. Tinted balm in a dusky pink. So obviously lip balm. I have I'm just getting over a cold sore, by the way, if you're looking at that on my face, because that's where I would look. Yeah. I have the tinted serum in the shade 3 medium. I don't know if it's focusing. If it's not, I'll pop a picture here. In the shade 3 medium, and this is the one that I got for free in there because I think it's either their 50th anniversary or they had some form of anniversary on their website, and this is their face moisturiser. And I haven't creamed my face, so I thought I could try this and then try the rest of the products. So I don't really wear a lot of makeup at the moment. I had an emergency cesarean, which I'll go into further detail in a different video. But essentially that means I can't drive, so I haven't really left the house too much. I think I've been out twice in 4 weeks because I've been healing, but things are starting to heal really well. But yeah, I haven't really left the house. I haven't really bought any makeup. That, and I've been up at all hours, you know, feeding little man and taking care of him, etc. So yeah, I do love their packaging. This is what their face cream looks like. I really wish it would focus. I'm hoping that's focused. This is their vitamin C 5% plus lemon extract. So I'm going to give this a try now. It comes sealed, so you have to just do that. Oh, it comes out quite on its own. Oh god, I wasn't expecting that. Okay, that's gone everywhere. So I've just taken a pea-size amount. Just going to flip my hair back, rub that in. It smells really nice. It's quite thick. So you probably don't need as much as I've put on. I might put a bit on my hands because I've got really dry hands. Still can't wear my wedding rings or my Bulgari ring, which honestly I've tried it so many times, but still, no, the fingers are too swollen still. which I'm hoping they go down, but I read on Net Mums, because that's what you do when you become a mum, you start googling shit, and this one was like, I couldn't wear my wedding rings for 10 months after I gave birth, and I was thinking, I don't want to wait 10 months. I stopped wearing my wedding rings in my 2nd trimester. I'm ready to put them back on. I want my jewellery back. But yeah, there we are. That's actually really nice. It's blended in really well. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It felt a bit thick when you first put it on, but then it's really melted in nicely. I have combination skin, so I don't know how that will affect my T-zone. What I will do is do either a blog post or an Instagram post or both, kind of update you on that, or I might do a follow-up video if I have the energy or time to do that. Oh, it kind of zings a bit on the skin. I hope that doesn't mean I'm having an allergic reaction to that. There we are. Anyway, I'm going to try their tinted moisturiser. So it's got like one of those drop, I think it's the drop applicators. Open it up. I'm really hoping it's the right shade. Oh no, it's not a drop. Oh, is it a drop applicator? Oh, it is. Oh, lovely. Okay. So I'm just going to pop a few drops on the back of my hand, as I always do. I've taken probably a lot more than what I would normally. I don't know if it's going to be the right shade. It looks a little bit pinkier than me. I can never pick a right shade. It's probably a little bit too dark because it's a tinted serum. I'm hoping I can get away with it. It doesn't smell of anything. It seems to be blending in really well. Eyelash, there we go. Oh no, it blends in really nicely. It doesn't look like it's, when it's blended in, actually suits my skin quite nicely. Just doesn't give that a look when you first put it on the back of your hand or initially apply it to your face. I don't think I could go one lighter though, from the looks of it, unless, you have to see them all, don't you? But because they're a French brand, obviously they're not in the shops here in the UK, I don't think. Not that I've seen. So I don't know if they the lighter shade would be better, but that looks like it's perfect on my skin. Give me a nice bit of colour as well, which I need because I'm tired, but that's gone on really nicely. It's very dewy. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but it's really quite dewy on the skin, but not like greasy looking. It's blended in really well. I'm happy with that. The darker shade that I got, I thought I might use as like a bronzer, like in places, or like a contour if I wanted to. So we'll see. I'm just going to apply their concealer, and I got the shade Type 2 Light. I thought I can go a bit lighter than the tinted moisturiser. This would be the shade I'd get if I needed to go lighter on the tinted serum. Sorry, I keep saying tinted moisturiser. But this looks too light to me on, can you see that? I mean, I really like the packaging, but it looks too light for a tinted serum. So I think I have chosen right, but we'll see. I'm going to use the same brush. Just pop that underneath my eye like that, and then I'm going to put a bit where I've got a few little blemishes. Normally, to be honest, I've done this backwards because normally I put my concealer on first, but yeah, I didn't do that today. Just going to dab that into my under eye because I feel like I've got some dark circles. Put it over my eyelid as well. I have started using retinol eye cream from Nip Fab, which is really lovely. I've got a whole review coming on Nip Fab skincare products. I'm just going to blend those in. That's actually gone on really nicely. I don't know if it's much, it's not like really in like thick coverage, but I think for like everyday like natural makeup, it's really nice. Good stuff. Right, I'm just going to apply some other makeup, which is not Typology makeup. I'll do that quickly now. I've been using the Refy highlighter. I'm not going to use that today. I was going to. Do I? No, because my skin's quite dewy, so I'm going to use powder highlighter. I'm going to go in with my trusty Charlotte Tilbury, as always. What's great about my new setup is that my mirror's there. So if you see me looking, it's because of my mirror's there. It's actually a lot easier where my beauty table is. I no longer have a full-on beauty room, but my beauty stuff is over in the corner. But obviously, RJ's crib, her cot there, is there for now. I'm going to just go in with my nude sticks in the nude. Blusher, as always, I've run out of this pretty much. Literally, that is all that's left. So I need to order a new one. You know, I don't use many products to the full because I have quite a lot of products. But this is one that I use pretty much all the time. Every time I do a makeup look, just like an everyday makeup look, I use this. It's because it's just so easy and it goes with everything. And I think it just really looks nice on my skin. So there we are. I've got a few new products in my Cult Beauty Advent calendar that I still need to try. Like new mascaras and everything. So I'm quite excited about that. I also got this eyeshadow palette in there, and this is a Rowan eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to go in with this shade here, which is like just a bronzier shade. It's going on really nicely. It's got some really nice like shimmer to it. Like, it's beautiful. That's really nice. I'll be using that a bit more. I'm going to go in with my Refy brow gel. My brother actually bought me a new one of these for Christmas. Part of my Christmas present. Because I was running out of brow gel. So he bought me this one. Which I'm not too mad at because, to be honest, my brows need something that's going to hold them up at the minute. Because they've gone a bit wild. Really did my makeup backwards today. I never do it in this order. I don't know why I've done it in this order today. But there we are. I have. There's my brows. Beautiful. Right, I'm not putting any mascara on because I don't have time to take it off. But I'm going to go in with the Tinted Balm in Dusky Pink. It also says Beige Rose. Beige Rose. Ooh, oh, it's a lovely colour. Right, so I should put it on. It's actually a really nice shade. I think because my lips are quite pink anyway, I think it's going to look a bit more natural on me, which I actually like. Oh yeah, that's lovely. That's a really nice shade. And it makes your lips feel really nourished, like and moisturised. There we go. That is the look for today. Hopefully you can see that on camera better than I can see it myself. Honestly, I really like the products. I really like the Tinted Serum. I keep saying Tinted Moisturiser. I really like the Tinted Serum. I think the shade actually suits my skin more than what I originally thought when I initially applied. Because I thought, oh, it looked a bit pinky. But then when it blended in so well. And it's made my skin look really dewy, really awake. So I'm really happy with that. And I think you can just wear that on its own as well if you just want something quite light on your skin just to give you a bit of colour. Fab. The face cream, I mean, this is something I got for free because their anniversary and they had a deal. I mean, I'm not mad at the face cream. It was zingy a bit when I first applied it, and I don't know whether it's because of the products in there, maybe it's because it's got all the vitamin C, maybe it's the lemon extract that kind of awakens the skin a bit, I don't know. But it feels really nice on. It doesn't feel heavy on. It felt heavy when I initially put it into my hands and rubbed it in, but then it blended really smoothly. So that's lovely. I mean, if you're looking for a face cream, I can't say I would highly recommend it because it's my first time trying it, but it actually isn't bad at all. The concealer was really nice, really light coverage. I don't know whether you could build it up, you probably could. I'm not really into building up my makeup. I like more of the natural look, especially because, one, as a new mum, I'm going to be just quickly slapdashing my makeup on my face and getting out the door. So I need to find makeup that gives me that natural look in a refreshing way. And I think this actually does that. It's actually really nice. So I'm looking forward to trying it a lot more and then giving you more of my opinion over the, you know, the course of the next few weeks, or however long I choose to use it, if I really love it and see myself grabbing for it a lot more. And I love the Tinted Balm lip balm. I mean, what's not to love? It's nourishing, it makes my lips look a little bit plumper, it's just smooth on. It's a lip balm, tinted lip balm. It's beautiful, but there we are. So that's it. That is my product review. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you've enjoyed listen to me waffle on again, because it's been a while. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.